I wanted to talk about how you got started in the nature field. I know you are a writer, but you write mainly about nature, and that too for children.
Yeah, children, and many people ask me how I feel comfortable walking alone in a jungle in the middle of the night, and I tell them that I feel much more comfortable in a jungle alone at night than I would in a city. So when I started writing, the settings came naturally. Plays pranks on his teachers and fellow students, and one day, one of his teachers, his history teacher in fact, gets really fed up of him, and she curses him to travel the world with and as some of the greatest migratory animals of the world.